Today is a big prep day here. Lewis and I have a 7-hour long total trip in the truck because tomorrow somebody is gonna get a friend. We made it 8 hours later. Isn't it cute? It's so scary, but Mama gotta get you out. I know, you don't know who this is. I'm so jealous. I'm sorry, Mama. I figured this would happen. Day 4, Houdini escapes again. This time through the actual fencing. No, look at it. No! Oh! Get him! Get him! It's not. Holy shoot. The boys put the fence upside down. The big squares are supposed to be at the top. Oh my God. Well, that escalated quickly. Woke up to 50 degrees. And my weather just alerted me that we are under winter weather advisory. What's wrong? Can't find a square big enough now? Aw, the escape artist has been stopped for now. Boys came out yesterday and they flipped the entire back panel right side up. So now he's a little upset. He's actually back there right now, fitting like he's like for like a shoe fitting or something. Like he's trying to figure out what square can I fit through now. All the big squares are up top, pal. I was keen to your shenanigans. Looks like you're stuck.
What you think? Tell me. What do you think about that, huh? Is that any good? Oh, yeah. Listen, buddy. Is that good? Don't take my finger off. Hey!
She's food aggressive now. She's not used to having a share. I'd separate a little bit.
Hey!
She's nasty to him when there's food involved.
Here.
He's so cute.
They love it.
He's even cuter when he's not escaping every 32 seconds.
They love it, so now I know where to get the good bales from. Somewhere in Neosho, $12 a bale. They were at 10, but they went up. They both love it.
Yeah, but once it's not compact like that, that's a crap ton of hay.
Yeah.
And it's alfalfa, so that's just an addition. Well, when we get back, we'll put it under the awning, and they could pick from it. Oakley, you gonna be good while I'm gone? No? I didn't think so. Well, y'all, our weather has officially plummeted. Starting today with all this cold rain, we are due for 20-degree days and teens or lower nights. Animals have been stocked up with hay real good, and we're just gonna have to kind of wait it out. I'm out here now checking fence because Houdini, when we left for our appointment 2 days ago, and I asked him if he was gonna be a good boy, and he said no, he wasn't lying. He found another break in the fence. The kids had to corner him while we were gone. The fence actually split, so I'm out here looking for it. So we used to keep Dozer over here. It's where his house used to be, and his tree where he hung out under. And so he used to try to squeeze through this fencing over here to get into the boat side. And so he did a lot of damage to this fence. They put this panel upside down too. Oh, Lord have mercy on my soul. But yeah, so I'm gonna add it right now, a picture that Gabby sent me while we were at our appointment. And so I'm kind of looking for that right now, because without that getting fixed, I can't let the goats back out in the pasture. I mean, it's super annoying that he keeps getting out. Thankfully, he's not like running off or getting hurt, but so while it's annoying that he keeps doing this, it's kind of good in a sense because he's showing us all of our imperfections. And so when we get more goats that are tinier, hopefully we can avoid this problem. So yeah, this whole panel is looking upside down as well. Small squares are up top. It's very saggy. It needs to be tightened. I'm not seeing the break though. So you can see while Dozer was over here, he did a lot of stuff like this. And while I don't think Oakley could get out of that, that's definitely not something that I want to deal with when we have itty bitties, because Hannah's mama is due to kid again, and I do believe we're gonna grab more goats from her. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume that the kids put up this monstrosity to block him. I still don't trust him though. Yep, that's it. That's the break right there. So maybe once we flip the fence, we'll fix it. That way we don't mess with it. It is cold and rainy though, so I'm not sure that the goats even want to come out. This is the second day that they're just under the awning and it's just wet and mucky anyway. So I think if tomorrow's going to be without rain, I'm just gonna focus on the fence tomorrow. They got their big hay bale and then we put the alfalfa brick under there yesterday. And they got their cages and their water, so honestly I think I'm just gonna let it be for now and let them stay cozy under the awning. At least we can breathe because somebody's not escaping. Go ahead, Maya. Ooh. Got it, bud? I'll lock you in, okay? Benjamin was smart. He figured out that if you put your hand up here. Yep, I know. I didn't even notice that. I felt so stupid. What a mucky mess in there. Well, that escalated quickly. Woke up to 50 degrees and my weather just alerted me that we are under winter weather advisory with snow coming at 3 o'clock. Winter advisories here are laughable compared to back home in New York, which for us means lots of ice, lots of frigid temperatures, negative temperatures, frozen pipes, power outage. So it's not the snow really that we have to worry about accumulating. It's just the really cold temps and ice that is terrible here. So we're outside right now getting everybody fed so that they are nice and warm, and checking everybody's waters, making sure everybody's good with hay. Right now we're going to replace the pool and the run and give them a thicker plastic container so that pool doesn't crack. And hopefully everybody stays toasty. I know, it's so cold. I'm washing your blanket now. Y'all could come in. You're not staying out in this, don't worry. Goats are as good as they're gonna get. We stacked a ton of hay in their cages last night. We're probably just have to do walls again. We make like nests, so it's more shallow in the middle and then up the cage walls just as more of a barrier from the wind. But Junie puffs up like she's got a big fat coat on, so I know she's good. He's a little bit smaller, but he seems to be tolerating the cold pretty well. Phantom. He found a cozy space too. He's been there all morning. Check on you guys in a little bit. They love that alfalfa. It's begun. First bathroom cold water line is already out, and it's not even 10 o'clock. Got all the dishes done. Emergency water has been filled. So now is the game of running around and everybody's taking showers real quick and doing all the last minute water things, because that's how it goes here. Once one line of water goes, all the others kind of fall into place very quickly. So by morning, we are probably not going to have running water. Next morning, everything's pretty frozen. Like I said, we don't get much snow. It's not the snow we have to worry about here. It's the ice, the frozen pipes, and we're dealing with it all. So right now we're outside with buckets of water. We do have running water in one of the bathrooms, thank God. But everybody's buckets of water we gave yesterday, completely ice. It's an ice bowl. Oh, look at this one.
Mom, look.
This poor spider. Frozen here. You see him?
Ah.
Oh my goodness. So much ice, Junie. What are we gonna do?
Mom.
Look at that. Oh.
Maybe stomp on it.
I don't think this is gonna budge. Yeah, it's not gonna budge. gonna have to top it off. He's got a little bit of space in between the ice and the top of the bucket. Let's check the chickies.
Okay.
I made it. Hi, babies.
The mommy.
Huh?
The mommy was sitting somewhere with the dirt. Oh, the puppies.
And the hay's stuck in the ice. The best I could do, guys. I think we're gonna get like piles of hay to put like in the corner so their little feet aren't frozen.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, guys. Watch out, watch out. No, 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 no. We're gonna have to get them food. They're hungry. Oh, God.
Oh, they're still locked up in there.
I'm gonna have to top that off a little bit more. Oh my goodness. I know, guys, it's so cold.
The ducks don't eat. That duck can't get out. Oh,
She's good.
she flew.
I'm gonna get you guys food. And make sure the meat can survive. Y'all good? Good? Oh, good. Zero to worry about you. Are you coldies? You so cold, Mama? Go ahead, grab her out. We're gonna take her inside to warm up. So mostly everybody has water. I just gotta do Cougar and Dozer. All the chickens were fed. Trying to keep everybody warm. Today's gonna be rough. Lewis has the little space heater in the well house. Try to thaw that out because I'm pretty sure all the well piping is frozen. So thankfully we've been filling the cistern still from the well, and he hasn't had a chance to pipe it straight from the well into the house, because if he did, we wouldn't have water at all right now. The only reason we have water is because the water's already in the cistern and the cistern piping is not frozen. So today's going to be rough, and this is why I hate winter. I don't understand people who think this is magical or beautiful. I just don't enjoy this at all. I cannot wait for summer, y'all. You got the right idea, bud. On the hay bale in the sun. You're so cute. This goat is a magical creature, I swear. How did you manage that? The door is shut, sir.
Okay.
He's been in this underneath the awning for 2 days now without any problems. What have you done?
Hopping on the hay bale and jumping.
Probably. There's just, I quit.
He's trying to get back in through here.
Uh-huh. Just open the door. Well, at least he's attached to Junie enough where he wants to be back by her. Oh, stop leaving. Stinker. Good grief. So we are on day 3 of these frigid temps, this cold snap. We are officially out of water in both bathrooms, and then the kitchen was the last thing to go just now. And then we realized not only are we having freezing pipe issues, we are having a broken pipe issue. The inside of the well house is completely soaked. It drained the cistern all out. We had no idea. It's one big puddle all the way down. If you can see where the darkness stops, this is all. We had the cistern filled to 1,200 gallons last night. So now it's the waiting game because it's not a quick fix. Lewis has to get out of work early now, come home with parts. We showed him on FaceTime what is going on, and so he already knows. He's very familiar with how to fix this because it's all we've had to do for 6 years. So now we have no running water, can't flush toilets. We do have the emergency jugs of water in the back hall that we can use to flush toilets if absolutely necessary, but thankfully I just got dishes done in the bathtub because the bathtub was our last source of running hot water. And yesterday when me and the girls tried to do dishes in the kitchen sink with the frigid cold water, we all had to take turns switching on and off because we were getting frostbite on our hands. So there's that update. So the goats are fine. I knew they would be because they've got the awning. I'm really nervous about the bantams and the babies because they just have 10 by 10 kennels. I'm really hoping that I don't find anybody dead today. Oh no, 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 no.